Here, Mama has demonstrated that free education is possible. You can educate children for free. In some of the areas, like I have done the same in Kanyarieru, I have done it in Chisozi where I stay. Those schools there, children study free.
And you could say that God also, in my case, wanted to use me for children on a national scale, instead of just Weso alone. Thank you so much, friends, and I call all of you friends, for choosing to obey God's call and make the time to travel from town and come. Let me first of all thank Him. He has enabled me to understand the long view, the eternal perspective of hope in our Lord Jesus Christ. And it has impacted the value of my time on earth. Therefore, I thank Him because I know that long life is a blessing not given to all people.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.